This is how to get onto Imagine Learning. I'm going to show you two different ways. The first way is the easiest. You're going to find a folder on your desktop that says My MNPS. Double click, and inside you're going to see something that says Clever Portal, and double click. Okay, and you can choose to click on your Clever badge to log in, or you can use your email and your password to log in. Because I've already used my email and my password, it's already logged me in. But if it asks you to, go ahead and type in your username and your password. It's the same as it is for Schoology. So once you're in, you're just going to scroll down and you're looking for the robot, the Imagine Learning robot, and you're going to click on it. And you always click on the robot. So when these two pictures pop up, go ahead and click on the Imagine Learning robot, and that will take you straight to Imagine Learning where you can start. The second way you can get on is if you can't find this folder on your desktop, then you're going to look down here at the bottom and find your internet, your Circle internet. If you don't have it, you're going to type in your search and type in Google Chrome, and you want the Circle internet. That's the one that works the best, so click on that. At the top, make sure you're in a new tab, and you're going to type in google.com, and you're going to type in MNPS. Click on Metro Nashville Public Schools. Click on, and scroll down a little bit, click on Parents and Students, and then you're going to click on the one that says Digital Tools. Going to scroll down, and you're going to find one that says Clever. Now you're in the same thing. It's your Clever portal. It's already logged me in, but you can push your Clever badge to scan in, or you can use your email and your password to sign in. Once you sign in, you're in Clever. I would push the star up here and then push done, and that way it pops up here on your, here's mine's right here, on your bar, so that next time when you go in, you just click your internet button that's down here, or you searched for it, and you find Clever on your bar and click on it, and it'll take you right to this page. Scroll down, find the robot. That's how you get onto Imagine Learning.